Yo, bought some festival balls. They're not that good. They came with a little effect, but I fixed it. This thing right here was an empty little thing where basically this looks like that on the other end. Catch my drift? So what I did was fix my shit up. So now that shit's gonna launch up. I don't know how, but it's better than this piece of shit. Faking it. Why don't you just put the real, regular fucking straight Firework? These guys are messing everything up. These are the festival ball shells. It's a light box, so you guys need to know what's up with the weight too on these. Unless they start fixing up the motors to fucking get heavier and shit. But this is a light ass one too. That's cool. For someone that don't give a shit. I do. And I'm out.